Hello, and welcome to King's Own Institute. My name is Jackie, and I'm so delighted to welcome you to your online MBA. At KOI, your career is our focus. You're about to enter an online learning experience designed to support you in leading, growing, and developing the next steps of your future career. Focused on innovation, leadership, and ethical practices, the MBA Online is truly designed for the modern enterprise to help you lead with confidence, work with others, to collaborate and come up with solutions for real complex contemporary issues, make data-informed decisions, and just grow your experience in the industry and make you feel more confident. Your learning experience is designed to be truly flexible, with online experiences to join webinars, one-on-one support sessions, and even a community where you can join online forums with your fellow students, allowing you to create meaningful connections with everybody and making sure that you always have a sense of support. So the question is, are you ready to lead the future of business? Because we're ready to support you through this very first step. Welcome again to KOI, and congratulations on starting your very first step to building your future career.